Hi student, this is Kumar. 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 6, exercise 6.2. Here we are going to study about straight lines. First, a definition of angle of inclination. Angle of inclination of a straight line is the angle, generally we call it as theta, made by the line with the x-axis measured in the counterclockwise direction. That's the anti-clockwise direction. That means positive direction. Look at the diagram. The straight line. Angle between the straight line and the x-axis is theta. Theta has been taken in anti-clockwise, counterclockwise direction in both the diagrams. Okay. Now, the slope or gradient. Slope, another name, gradient of a straight line is a number that measures its direction. So, direction of a line represents slope and the steepness. Okay. So, remember, direction of a straight line represents a slope or gradient of a straight line. The slope of a line in the plane containing x and y axis is generally represented by the letter m. So, slope is represented by the letter m. Already I have learnt in 10th standard. Then, next definition. In a plane, 3 or more points are said to be collinear if they lie on a same straight line. Generally, the points lie on a same straight line we can call as collinear points. Next definition is intercept. The intercept of a line is the point at which the line crosses either the x-axis or the y-axis. Look at the diagram. Straight line crosses both x-axis and y-axis. From origin to that point A, that is called that x-intercept. The line crosses the y-axis at B. So, O to B, origin to the point B, this distance is called y-intercept, x-intercept and y-intercept. Now, different forms of an equation of a straight line, slope and intercept form, point and slope form, 2-point form, intercept form, and two more special types are and normal form. Last one, parametric form. These two are different. Already have learned the first four in 10th standard. You must be knowing the formulae. The first one, slope and intercept form. Look at the straight line. The straight line is having the y-intercept. The y-intercept is B. Origin to the point is B units. It has a slope. The slope is represented by the letter m. The equation of straight line that is equal to y that is equal to mx plus b. Here b represents y-intercept. Okay. Now the second one, point slope form. The straight line, look at the diagram. The straight line is having the slope m and is passing through the point x1 comma y1. This one is the general point on the straight line, p of x comma y. So, equation of the line, that is y minus y1, that is equal to m into x minus x1. The next one, straight line passing through 2 points, x1 y1 and x2 y2. The equation here it is y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, that is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. The next one is intercept form. If a straight line is passing through A and B, A lies on x-axis, B lies on y-axis. Here OA is the x-intercept that is represented by A and OB is the y-intercept that is represented by the letter small b. And the equation is x by A plus y by B, that is equal to 1. Next one is normal form. Look at the line. It has x-intercept as well as y-intercept. And from the origin, there is a perpendicular line to the straight line AB, whose distance from O to P is small p. That line OP makes an angle alpha with the x-axis. If it is, the equation of the line AB is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, that is equal to P. This is new to you. Normal form of a straight line. The last one, it's also new to you, parametric form. Parametric form of a straight line. Look at the diagram. The straight line has the slope m and it makes an angle theta with x-axis. It is passing through the point q of x1 comma y1. It is a general point on that line p of x comma y. Distance between p and q has been taken as r. Draw a perpendicular line from q to x-axis, that is qn, q to y-axis, that is qr. These two lines are parallel. This is a transversal line. A line crossing through the parallel lines is called a transversal line. Since it is theta, it is also theta because the two are corresponding angles. Okay. Now, the parametric form of the equation of a straight line is x minus x1 divided by cos theta, that is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta, that is equal to r. You just remember the equation. Okay. So, everything is given in a tabular form. All the formulae or in the tabular form. Please note down this. All the formulae going to be applied in the second exercise. You know the general equation of a straight line, ax plus by plus c, that is equal to 0. Exercise 6.2, problem number 1. Find the equation of the lines passing through the point 1 comma 1 with y-intercept minus 4 with a slope 3 and another point minus 2 comma 3. And fourth subdivision, find the equation of the line passing through the point 1 comma 1 and the perpendicular from the origin makes an angle 60 degree with x-axis. Totally 4 subdivisions are there. We can do one by one. First subdivision, equation of a straight line passing through the point 1 comma 1 and is having the y-intercept. In y-axis, the distance from origin to the point is 4 units. At what point it is? Minus 4 because it lies below x-axis. This is the point 0 comma minus 4. Okay. So, y-intercept given. Y-intercept is represented by the letter b, that is equal to minus 4. So, a required equation is y that is equal to mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. So, consider them as capital A and capital B, 2 points. We can find the slope of AB. Slope of AB, that is represented by the letter m. Formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If the 2 points are given, formula for finding the slope is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Consider as x1 y1 x2 y2. y2 that is minus 4 minus y1 that is equal to 1 divided by x2 minus x1, 0 minus 1. That is equal to minus 4 minus 1 is minus 5 divided by 0 minus 1 is minus 1, that is equal to 5. Minus minus get cancelled, 5. That is the value of m. So, which implies y that is equal to m value 5x, b value is minus 4. That is a required equation. Now, subdivision number 2. Given slope m that is equal to 3. Second subdivision, slope is given. Okay. Now, I have to find out the equation, a required equation. Formula y minus y1 that is equal to m into x minus x1. So, the passing point is 1 comma 1, that should be considered as x1 y1. So, y minus y1 that is equal to 1, m here it is 3 into x minus x1 that is 1. So, y minus 1 that is equal to 3 into x, 3x minus 3 ones are 3, which implies I write 3x minus 3 as it is, plus y comes right hand side minus y and minus 1 comes right hand side plus 1, nothing in left hand side 0. So, you write 3x then minus y minus 3 plus 1 that is equal to minus 2, that is equal to 0. Okay, I have written RHS and LHS, LHS and RHS, no change of sign. That is a required equation for the second subdivision. Now third subdivision, another passing point is given -2, 3. Now, so one more point is given -2, 3. Already is passing through the point 1, 1. So straight line passing through 1, 1 and -2, 3. Required equation you can directly write y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1, that is equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. So here x1 y1 x2 y2, even you can take this is x1 y1 x2 y2, you will be getting the same answer. So y minus y1 that is equal to 1 divided by y2 minus y1, 3 minus 1. X minus x1 that is equal to 1 divided by x2 that is equal to -2 minus x1 that is equal to 1. Y minus 1 divided by 2 that is equal to x minus 1 divided by -4. Can cancel by 2 table here 1 time, here 2 times, that is -2. Now we have to cross multiply. If we cross multiply, we will be getting -2 into y minus 1 that is equal to 1 into x minus 1 is x minus 1. Now we can multiply -2 into y minus 2y minus into minus plus 2 that is equal to x minus 1. So x minus 1 write as it is, minus 2y comes right hand side plus 2y and plus 2 comes right hand side minus 2. So which implies x minus 1 already in the right hand side. Now plus 2y minus 2 plus 2y minus 2 here equal to nothing in left hand side but 0. Which implies write x first then plus 2y minus 1 minus 2 that is equal to minus 3 that is equal to 0. Can you interchange LHS and RHS? Finally, subdivision number 4. So we have to find out the equation of a straight line passing through the point 1, 1 and perpendicular from the origin making an angle 60 degree with x axis. Look at that. Perpendicular from the origin makes an angle 60 degree with x axis. You have to find out the equation of this line. A, B. Now required equation of AB. Formula x cos alpha plus y sin alpha that is equal to 12 P. This is capital P. Origin to that point capital P is small p. This is a perpendicular distance, that is small p. Okay. Let it be equation number 1. Okay. Now equation 1 implies the line is passing through 1, 1. So substitute x equals 1 into cos alpha that is 60 degrees plus y also 1, consider that x and y are 1, sin alpha that is 60 degrees that is equal to p. Now cos 60 value is 1 by 2. 1 into 1 by 2 again 1 into sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 that is equal to p. Which implies take the LCM that is 2, common denominator. So 1 plus root 3 in the numerator that is equal to p. So p that is equal to 1 plus root 3 or root 3 plus 1 by 2. I got the value of p. Therefore, equation 1 implies what is here? The final result in terms of x and y only. So x retain as it is, cos alpha that is 60 degrees plus y write as it is, sin alpha that is sin 60 degrees that is equal to p. I got the value of p that is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2, which implies x into cos 60 value is 1 by 2, sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 that is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. Now here the common denominator is 2, therefore x plus root 3 into y, root 3y that is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. 2 get cancelled. So x plus root 3 into y minus root 3 plus 1 comes left hand side, root 3 minus of root 3 plus 1, that is equal to 0. That is the required equation. So all the 4 subdivisions and all completed. So problem number 1 is over. Then I will be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.